Alright guys, we are live. Merry Christmas everybody. This is for the 12th day of Christmas from yesterday. Time is 9:17 a.m. Eastern. The list here. Go 3 times in the clubhouse. Time 9:18 a.m. Eastern. First random. Second random. So 2 times. 9:18 a.m. Eastern. Third and final random. Kyle Exley, sorry. That was a typo with the C, but it's Kyle. 3 times. 9:18 a.m. Eastern. I have your address, Kyle, so I will get that out to you. Shipping out on Monday, all this stuff from the 12 Days of Christmas. We're done. Time 9:18 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys, and Merry Christmas again.